Good afternoon, everybody. So today I wasn't even gonna make this video, but I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. And today we're gonna be installing a vented hood to your OEM hood. And I mean, I already started because I wasn't planning to make this video, but I'll tell you guys the step. So I already cut it and I already measured it, and I'm already on to like the next step. But before you do this, well, this is the way how I did it, but I'll show you guys how I did it. You guys could take this, or you guys could do it some other way, but this way I did it. So I went ahead and I bought this. This is basically bonding your fiberglass to metal. The part number is 08243 from M3. So far, I already put some screws on it to mount it down where I need it to be. So I'm gonna dismount all the screws. I'm gonna grind the surface, and then after it's all grinded to bare metal, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this this fiberglass repair thingy. So let's go ahead and let's start. But before we start, so the way how I did it is that I measure from each side and from the front, and then I placed it on my hood. So the under looks like that. So I cut it up and then I put it towards my car to see where it's gonna mount it, to see if I got clearance, and it looks pretty good so far. So I'll show you guys the measurements. It's actually not 14 1/4, but I'll show you guys the measurements right now. Alright, so the way how I measured it is from the scoop itself. So make sure if you're measuring from the same area, make sure it's on the other side too. So it'll be like right here. So let's say you do it from right here, right? It's about 13 inches. This side, same area. So it'll be the same. It's about 13 inches. And then I did the same thing. I did it from the scoop and to the edge of, you know, your hood. So it's about 12 inches, 1 foot. Let's go to the other side. Same area, about 12. And then from the rear, I did it from like the little concave area right there. So it's about 12. Go back to this side. Same area, guys. So right there, 12. And then, so once you get your measurement, I will cut like between, you know, just enough, line it up. You know, you mark all your spots so you know where it's gonna be, and then you cut your hood and you place it and see where your fitment, and then throw it back to your car, because you could be B series, you could be K series. K series, you're gonna be cutting up the hood a little bit more. I had some more clearance issues, so I had to cut a little bit more. But I will show you guys the under, but let me see. So I didn't cut too much, you know. I just cut enough where like the scoop's gonna come out. And then I'm gonna cut a little bit more actually. Like I'm gonna cut this spot and the other spot, but I'm gonna leave these skeletons on, and I'm going to mount these skeletons onto the vent itself, so it could be super sturdy. And then once you get that, once you cut it, I just put my screws on to make it super sturdy. You know, ain't going nowhere. I'm about to remove them, grind it, and then put the adhesive on it. And then it should, once the adhesive is on it, I'm gonna put everything back and I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it cure maybe about a day, and then I'll come back to it and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I just chopped a little more piece off because it's not gonna be needed. Anyways, it's gonna look like this. I'm still gonna keep the skeleton, and it's gonna be all mocked up to the vent. I might gotta chop. No, I'm just gonna leave that. But so now I'm gonna take these tape off, and then I'm gonna get a flapper disc and remove all these paint to bare metal. So I got all the paint off, which you can see. I got my gun ready. When you do buy that, you do have to need a gun or else it won't come out. And yeah, so it's gonna look like this. And then you just go ahead and apply a lot. I'm gonna apply some on here too. And then after I apply it, I'm just gonna put back my vent on this, and I'm gonna screw it down, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a day. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I laid down all my adhesive. Looks kind of ugly, but it's gonna work. So it matters. I even did the skeleton, put a little extra on there. So let's go ahead and put the vent on. So it is super sticky, so I'm just gonna match up all my holes. So I can go ahead and start screwing it down. All the screws are all mismatched. It's whatever. As long as it works, it works. I'm not too picky about it. As long as the end result is fine, that's what matters. Good morning, everybody. Today is the next day. I already started doing the hood. I put another bead. So I already took off all the screws, and then I threw in another bead of adhesive, bonding thingy, whatever. I did sand it down, and then I put the adhesive on it so that it will stick better. I'm gonna wait maybe another 30-ish minute, and then I'll start sanding it down a little bit. and then I will throw on fiberglass. The most expensive part is the adhesive. I mean, you don't have to, but I just took another insurance just so that, you know, this vent doesn't fly off or anything. But you don't have to. I just did it. But yeah, let's wait, and after that, oh yeah, and also even under this one, I'm just gonna cut it off, but I did put like more adhesive on the skeleton itself, so it's pretty solid. It's not gonna go nowhere. So let's go ahead and wait 30 minutes and go from there. Alright, so I laid down 3 layers on each side, so 3, 3, 3, and 3, and then I was just waiting for it to dry up, but I'm about to start sanding it down, and then after I sand it down, I'll just straight bondo it, and we'll go from there, because I feel it's super like it's solid already, you know. So I don't think I'm gonna have to put another layer of fiberglass. This should be good. Okay, so far you guys saw me that I threw the first bondo, so I already sanded it. Next I'm gonna throw another bondo, and this time I'm gonna block sand it so everything should be even. So let's go ahead and start doing that right now. Alright guys, now since I already sanded down the bondo, I mean, it's not the best, but it's decent for what it is. I mean, I'm gonna paint the car anyways, so I just want it to look good for right now. But so right now, I'm gonna bondo all the stuff. I mean, I don't need to bondo it because I'm not even painting my car. So, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this step right here and primer it, and I'm gonna black it out, and then it's time to wrap it, boys. I know you guys don't need to wrap it, but this is just for me. So let's go ahead and primer this hood. All right, it looks like shit right now, but I'm gonna wet sand it so that my wrap could stay on the hood, but it doesn't look too bad. So let's go ahead and wet sand this real quick, and then I'm gonna wrap it, clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up and then wrap it. Alright, it took some time. Took me about a week or so, if anything. I only took like 2-3 hours a day doing this, but today is the day. You guys, just look at it from right here. Oh my God, let's go for it. Let's go, let's go. Damn, dude, that hood is fucking badass, dude. It took me some time. I mean, it's not perfect and all, but hey, it's functional, it works. It's gonna help all my heat inside. I gotta do a little bit of touch up, but it's cool. But thanks again for coming in and tuning in my channels, man. This is the stuff that, you know, if there's more people that sub my channel, it makes me want to do more or show more. So sub and share, and so we can do more stuff like this. I mean, YouTube don't sponsor me and all, but hey, I like making videos and helping out you guys out, or anybody else out there. But thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video. Let's go.